Hi guys, it's the Peep here and welcome to a new video. I already prepared some stuff because I just want to start right into it because I don't have any time pressure, but I just wanted to be ready. Do you remember my sideboard I made with these white boards and the connection parts where I printed them on my 3D printer? It's a while ago, and since then this sideboard has no doors. And that's what we want to change for today. I hope we have everything we need, but it's pretty simple. As a base, we need some cardboard, we need a fabric. I have these bags from a brewery where they put all the malt in. Okay, we got something for drilling, something for screwing. We got some washers, some nuts, and some, let me look at my notes, some threaded screws. And then we got some glue and some tape. And that's it. Oh wait. So that's the base. For the second part we got a big hinge because it was cheaper than buying multiple hinges. And for the third part we need a magnet. I have to order some magnets because there wasn't the white magnets in the hardware store. And that's it. So let's start with the cardboard. Not yet, but yet. If you wondered why it gets so light, we got some lightness sponsored by an incredible old light. Whatever. So first of all, we need cardboard. Best would be in the size of the door you wanna build the door. This was an incredible big package. I think the biggest package I ever got delivered, and also the most expensive one. But this is going to be my new door. I got the numbers I need, so the measurement can start just right now. And this already has been the trickiest part. Now it comes the fun part. Okay, now I need the fabric. I don't know if this fits. Oh my, perfectly, as always. So I got the fabric and then I need the glue. So this is a special, like, what is it? Actually it's for flooring. I'll always use it for tufting, but I think this is fine. So we need some glue. But every glue will work. I think even wood glue can work as well. I take what I have here. Montagekleber would also be perfect, but I don't have it at the moment. So I'll just take this one. So I just made a very thin layer. I don't think that you even have to do like the whole piece. A bit is just fine, I think. And then you need your fabric. Let's see. Watch out for which direction you need. Oops. And you just put it on. Does it fit? Does it fit? Yeah. Pressing it down with all the power you have, but please be gentle because my cardboard is just very sensitive. Oh wait, no, that's fine. And if you're happy with the side, just turn it around. Oh shoot, it wasn't quite straight. Look at that. But this is no problem. So before we doing this side, I'd like to cut it straighter because this fabric, this is just like plastic. You see? But these bags are so beautiful. This is it's just the back side. I will show you the front side. Look at the front of these bags. Aren't they pretty? Yeah, but I wanted this to be white, so I used this. And then I will do the sides. The sides and the corners are a bit tricky, but nothing you can't do. Then I really do like to stretch it and stretch it. And I also want it to stay, and that's why I need my tape. Just like that. And of course, the corners are important. So let's turn it around, and yes, I know it's not the prettiest, but it's just the back side. Stay calm. So, nicey. So it's a bit like it has this curve, but I think I will just put some weight on it, not too heavy so that the cardboard got any scratches. I'll put I have my cardboard, and then I put some weight, and then we'll see us tomorrow morning. All right, so it's the next day. Let's see how it works. Oh, just fine. A solid cabinet door. Perfect. So the next step is pretty simple. But because this is not the only door, I will do the other doors first before we go to the next step. So I did a night shift yesterday, and I did the other doors as well. So we can start with the hinges. And to install the hinges, we need some thread-in screws and a nut that fits. Oh, and also some washers for the look, but also for stabilization. Cute. All of them are ready, so it's time to install them. Our doors are locked in, and as you see, we need something so that they hold. I got some magnets from Kleinanzeigen. Those kind of magnets. You got like, it looks like a nail. You just hammer in something. I will hammer it in this piece of wood, sack. And then we have this other piece, and I just realized that this is nothing to screw in. There are no holes where I can just screw it in, so I have to drill a hole and then hammer it inside, and then it will work. Deep, deep, just like that. Alright guys, the doors are just installed and the sideboard is finally done. I will show you some shots and let me know what you think about this solution of cabinet doors. I still think it's a great opportunity when you don't have any money and you want to work sustainable and you just want to do it quick because it's mostly stuff you have at home. Alright guys, that's it from The Peep. I hope you enjoyed the video and we'll see us soon. Bye bye!